Thank you, Jordan. And as we told you earlier, Jamaica's Reggae Boyz and Mexico are locked at 0-0 at halftime in their crucial World Cup qualifying match in CONCACAF at the National Stadium. The Reggae Boyz, who are lying sixth, are seeking a vital win to move up the table. Let's join our reporter Karen Madden live at the National Stadium. Karen, what can you tell us?
Thank you very much, Spencer. Well, with just under a minute to play in the first half, what I can tell you is that the Jamaicans will have to play the next 45 with 10 players, as sweeper Damian Lowe was shown a red card based on a VAR review, a lengthy VAR review. When it came back, they judged that his foul warranted him getting a red card. It's kind of unfortunate for Damian Lowe because he really was showing a very assertive figure in the back of the field. We have gotten accustomed to Damian Lowe roaming across the field. A lot of time fans have been saying he needs to stay home. Well, what we saw tonight was a more disciplined playing action from Damian Lowe. But alas, he's been shown a red card based on the VAR review. It's been a grueling first half for the Jamaicans. The Mexicans have basically dwelled in their half of the field. They've managed to get away with that, though. Within 6 minutes, the Mexicans were forced into a substitution as Jorge Sanchez was substituted. In came Luis Rodriguez out because of an injury. The game so far, as I said, has been dominated in the Jamaican half of the field. In fact, the captain and goalkeeper Andre Blake had to pull off a fine save to keep the Jamaicans in the game. On the other half of the field, though, a couple shots on Mikel Antonio, but those were either wayward or saved by the Mexican goalkeeper. Reporting from the National Stadium in St. Andrew, Jamaica, Karen Madden for TVJ Sports.
Thank you very much, Karen.